What's up? I'm Cody, and here's a quick tutorial on capturing stunning footage with your Insta360 One X from your car. You'll need your One X and a selfie stick. I highly recommend using a venture case. Step 1. Attach your camera to the selfie stick and stick it through the window. Step 2. Roll your window up slowly. Step 3. Connect your camera via Wi-Fi and begin recording. Be aware, keep your hands on the steering wheel while driving. Always pay attention to the road. Take your footage into the app or on your desktop, set your keyframes, and boom! Thanks for watching. Want more 360, drone, or other content? Tune into Krieg Media here on YouTube, or myself, Krieg360 on Instagram. We'll have more tutorials, reviews, and event coverage coming soon. Thanks for tuning in. Peace.